Last video you saw me buy an Audi RS5 with a blown motor. It had some serious issues on cylinder 5. Well, I got news for you. I bought another one. Pull into Mike's. Let's see if we can find the RS5. Mike said the delivery driver dropped it off face in somewhere. That's not it. That's not it. Aha! I found it! Nice hole in the rear bumper as expected. Carbon fiber mirror caps. Oh baby, we're in business. Look at that. We got some mods on this thing. So if you missed the backstory on this car, in the last video I bought an Audi RS5 off of a subscriber. The description was that the car didn't run, and upon investigation in the motor, we found this. Oh, wow. So that's the top of the piston. Yep. So after finding a wonderful hole in cylinder 5, it led me to have to make an important decision. After pulling the valve cover, I found that the valve spring was broken, which means that the cylinder head and the cylinder walls were both messed up. So it was a question of, do I rebuild the motor, or do I buy an entire donor car, or do I just buy a used motor? And obviously, you guys know which decision I made. Here she is, really windy day, 2013 Audi RS5, and the first order of business is getting inside because it's locked. The delivery driver locked it, I would imagine with the jump pack on it, and we have a small issue. The issue is, this is a replacement key. There's no RS logo on it, right? Look at that. It's not cut, so I can't unlock the door. So I need to put the jump pack on it to open the door, but I got a fresh battery for it. Don't think the hood will stay up. Oh, mostly because it just doesn't have hood struts. Nice. I also forgot my gloves at home. It's a balmy, I mean, it's like 44 outside. I guess it could be colder, but it's not warm. I turn this thing on, or is it just on? Will it unlock now? Oh, it will. Okay. All right, well, it's unlocked. I guess I don't need this anymore. All right, boys and girls, I'm going in. If this is successful, the trunk is gonna open. Oh, there's all sorts of panel. Oh, I forgot the freaking air ride is in here. I think you guys know that by now, but it still wait, it still has some juice? So why did it not unlock? So will the trunk just open? Oh. That was weird. The battery was dead. Is it not dead? No key identified. All right, hang on. Oh. All right, hold on a second. Is it gonna start? Oh, there's the compressor. Foot on the brake. Oh, it started! Started right up! It doesn't even need a battery. Oh, it's not expecting that. All right, the fans are obviously going crazy because of fault codes, but it's running. But it sounds like it has an exhaust. This is way louder than a RS5 should. Why does it have so much dirt in the back? Let's see. Oh, we got, this is carbon fiber. This is a Maxton design diffuser. Yeah. What do we got? I think, if I'm not mistaken, that says 180 technology, which means that this is a catback from my friends at AWE. Why did it start? I thought it was dead. I mean, I'll take that. The next logical thing to do is to see if it airs out. Okay, it goes down. Preset high. I don't want preset high. Okay. Down. The rear doesn't go down. It hits really nice there, and it won't go past there either. So we got a problem. This wheel is all banged up, right? Watch this. Here's an issue. I mean, at least it turns that way. But if you go back the other way, it doesn't go past there. Something's really broken in there. So this wheel is pointed straight. This wheel is not pointed straight. It makes some noise. All right, you ready for the grand, or do you already see it? No, you haven't even looked at it? Here she is. Sick, right? Looks really nice in back here.
Love it. It's a religious rear bumper. Holy.
Jesus, but this is, that's in there.
Yeah. You know what's good with this though? This hit, it's like above the frame wheel. But this is actually sweet too though, so I don't know what happened to this thing.
Well, yeah, I guess the frame rail's not pushed down.
It's that way.
It is pushed over?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Start it up, here. You gotta put the key in the dash to, what's up?
You need the jump back though, no?
No, it'll start right up.
46,000 miles.
Yeah, it's low mileage. Oh, that was nice. Do that one more time. It's loud. Goes up.
Why is it so loud?
And then that's supposed to be all the way down, right? Preset. It'll go that one. That one will work. That's preset ride, yeah. Oh, air out. You got it. Wow. Look how much it tucked the tire back here. It's all the way down. Don't ask me how you got it to do that, because I couldn't get it to do that. I didn't think they got that low, to be honest. But I think most guys run them fender to lip instead of tucking the wheel all the way in there. Let's see if we can get it to air back up. Mike aired it down. Oh yeah, right back up. Now that I've had a little bit more time to get familiar with the car, it looks like it was lightly modified. We obviously have the Maxton Designs diffuser. We have the side splits or spats or whatever the heck you want to call them that are broken. In here is an AWE. I don't know if it's a track or a touring. It's got mufflers at the back, so I think it's a touring, but I'm not sure. They said this happened at Copart. The car showed up with the damaged rear bumper, which sucks because that rear bumper is worth money, and now it's not. Black diamond wheels on it. Obviously I don't even know what color that is, like fluorescent yellow. 3 of the 4 wheels are good. This one has she's seen better days, unfortunately, and these tires are pretty much worn out. Someone did a 255/30, which is the wrong size sidewall. It should be a 255/35 for an RS5. So it's kind of weird. I guess it's not really that big of a deal, but I mean, it doesn't look 100% right. On the interior, oh, and then the carbon mirrors that I noticed when I pulled up. On the interior, no major modifications. Obviously, the airbags went off. Carbon trim, Alcantara seats. I'll probably keep these for mine. We'll talk about that later. And the airlift controller. Everything's good in here. I mean, there's a bunch of crap. I don't know. So you might be asking yourselves, what are the plans with this car? Well, I think it's pretty straightforward. I'm going to take this 46,888 mile motor out of the car, and I'm going to put it into my car with the bad motor. And if the valve cover's cracked, like Mike said or whatever, we'll just swap the valve cover from the. We got spare parts pretty much out the wazoo for everything. But other than that, for this car, I may take some of the mods and put them on my car. I know Ducky wants the air suspension, that kind of stuff. Why did I buy this car instead of just buying an engine? That's a great question that you're probably asking yourself right now. Well, one, obviously there's more money to be made in selling off parts of this, but two, the engines for these cars with low mileage sell for $9,000 to $10,000, which is just obscene. I don't understand why, but that's a thing. That's how they are. These cars with 90, 80, 70,000 miles are selling for between $9,500 to $11,000 on Copart. And obviously the reason for that is people are buying them and then they're parting them out and making their money back. The transmission alone sells for, I think, about $5,000. So you figure if you buy a car for $10,500 off a Copart, which after fees is probably closer to $12,000, you get conservatively $8,000 out of the motor and $5,000 out of the transmission. You've made $13,000 back on your $12,000 investment. You still have the interior, brakes, etc. So I paid $11,000 for this car. I bought it off of a subscriber, and I feel like that was a decent investment. Now, if the front bumper was intact, this would be a really great investment. If you guys don't know, the front bumpers for these cars are currently like $6,000 and you can't find them. So used bumpers are selling for anywhere $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 depending on the condition of them. That would have been a real gold mine if the front bumper was intact and the motor was intact. But seriously, if I had to buy a motor, there's one on eBay right now with 80 or 90,000 miles on it for $9,000 plus shipping. So I paid $11,000 for the entire car, and the goal is to make my money back. So, like Ducky wants the air ride. I think I may actually put these seats in the car. When I looked at the listing originally, I didn't realize they were Alcantara, so I think it makes the car feel nicer. Obviously, they don't get hot in the summer, and they heat up faster in the winter. Just everything about this works. Unfortunately, the steering wheel airbag went, but like my buddy's interested in the steering wheel, someone's interested in the shift knob. Mike said I could probably sell the quarter panels, although I don't know how the heck I'm gonna get that out to somebody. But there's a lot of stuff. It's got carbon trim, you know, the list goes on. It's got the RS door pulls. I can look around and think of 10,000 different things that I can sell out of this car. So the hope is that I recover some of the money from buying this car by selling off the parts, and then I get the motor for cheaper than what it would have cost before. We also have the piano black dash trim. I could put that in the all-road. That would look really nice. But overall, I'm really excited about this project. I think it's going to be as simple as, you know, tearing this car apart, which will be one video, pulling the motor out. It's got no rear view mirror. Who took the rear view mirror? That's messed up. The headliner's all messed up because the curtain airbag went off on this side. That side's fine. Anyway, moral of the story, I'm really excited for this project because I think it'll be a nice, relatively straightforward engine swap, and then I will have a running and driving RS5, and I'll be able to part this one out and ideally recover some of my money. I feel like I've said that 6 times over. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys are excited about this project. I'm not 100% sure when we'll start actually pulling the motor out of this car, because I have a couple other balls in the air. This is probably getting filmed way before the video actually goes live on YouTube. Oh, this one doesn't have a red start-stop button either. Bummer. But anyway, I hope you guys are excited as I am. My second RS5 in a really short period of time, and this one's a good one. So thanks for watching. Go out there and spread some positivity, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.